Welcome to another how-to video. How to change state server and whiteout survival. Hello gamers, today our topic is all about changing state and whiteout survival. Let's open our whiteout survival. So first, go to your profile on the upper left of your screen. While you are in the profile tab, click settings. Now you're in the settings tab, click characters. While you are in the character tab, click create new character. As you can see, there are the states or servers you can choose from. Remember, only 2 characters can be created per state. And that's it. That's how to change the state or server in Whiteout Survival. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.